Hi everyone, I hope you all are great. Today we will have Greek and Latin roots. So first you log in using the aboston.com. Click on your name, move on to language at the grade 5. Chapters Greek and Latin roots. Lesson will be use Greek and Latin roots as clues to the meaning of words. Use the meaning of words as clues to the meanings of Greek and Latin roots. Alright, so we will start now. A root is a part of a word that has a certain meaning. Okay, so the root is a part of a word that has a certain meaning. Words that share the same root often have similar meaning that are related to the meaning of the roots. So the words that share the same roots often have similar meaning that are related to the meaning of the roots. For example, we have the root phone means sound. So we have phone, right? And it means sound. So we have xylophone is a musical instrument with wooden bars that are hit by small hammers. Okay. We also have homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings. So xylophone, homophone. We also have a telephone is a machine that carry the sound of someone's voice over a long distance. So basically, all of this meaning relate to the concept of sound. So that's why if it has the same root, you would have almost similar meaning that are related to the meaning of the root word. Okay, so you can use your knowledge of root to figure out the meaning of words you haven't seen before. For example, we have the root cyclo means cycle or wheel. The root meter means measure. A cyclometer is a device that measures how many times a wheel turns. So you're just basically using your knowledge to figure out the meaning of words you haven't seen before. Okay? So let's look at some examples. A telephone is a machine that can carry the sound of someone's voice somewhere far away. The root tele means far away. What does the root phone mean? And it means what? Sound. The root auto means own or self. What does the root autobiography mean? It has to be what? A book that someone writes about his or her own life. Autobiography. Now the root means miss means send. What does the word mission mean? A task or job you're sent to do. Okay, so miss. Alright, so we have this. You can share your answer with me at the test. A thermometer is a tool that measures heat or temperature. The root meter means measure. What does the root term mean? Light, heat, or sound? Right, so it means heat. Okay, good. The root pots mean carry. What does the root portable mean? So able to easily carried or is able to be easily seen or able to be easily heard. Which of them? So we have option two, one. So able to be easily carried. So psychology is a study of human behavior and the mind. The root logi means the study of something. So what does the root psych mean? Light, life, or mind? All right, so we have the mind. The root vis means see or look at. What does the word visible mean? Able to be seen, able to be changed, able to be bent. Which of them? All right, so able to be seen. The root track means pull or drag. What does the word tractor mean? A large automobile used to pull and move farm equipment, a large automobile used to take measurements, or a large automobile you can drive a long distance or far away. All right, so we have one. So we have the root spec means look. What does the word spectacular mean? Amazing or exciting to look at, cold or chilly in temperature, hard or difficult to understand. Which of them? All right, so we have the first. Okay. So the means send. What does the word transmit mean? To listen to another person speak, to watch or observe someone from far away, to send something from one person to another. So what's the right one here? All right, so the first one, but that was actually the third. The third, not the first. So, telegram is an old fashioned way to send a written message to someone who is far away. The root tele means far away. What does the root graph mean? So, write or draw, break or bust, or bend or curve. Which of them? So, write or draw. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. We'll move on to the next one. Okay, so the next is use the meaning of words as clues to the meaning of Greek Latin words. So we basically know that roots is a part of a word that has a certain meaning, and words that share the same roots often have similar meanings that are related to the meaning of the roots. Okay, and they give an example with phone, which means sound, and these three words that are actually similar because of the root word. So let's look at some examples here. So from here we have anthropology, the study of the history and development of humans. What does the root anthro mean? So from the meaning of the word, that's how you can figure out the meaning of the root word. So it means what? Human. Okay? So biology is the study of living things. What does the root bio mean? Simply means life. Okay? Zoology is a study of the biology and behavior of animals. What does the root zoo mean? Animal. Right. We'll move to the test. Share your answers with me. A telescope is a tool that is used to look at something that is far away in outer space. What does the root scope mean? Pull or drag, write or draw, look at or observe. All right, so we have look at or observe. Hydroscope is a tool that is used to look at things beneath the surface of the water. What does the root hydro mean? Right to draw water or light. So it means water. So geology is the study of the biological, chemical, and physical history of the earth. What does the root logy mean? The study of something far away, break or bust. So we have what? The study of something. So anthropology is the study of the history and development of humans. What does the root anthro mean? So we have carry, write or draw, human. So this means humans. Okay. An autograph is a person's signature written in his or her own handwriting. What does the root graph mean? Write or draw, look at or observe, pull or drag. Okay, so we have write or draw. So an audiometer is a tool that is used to measure how well someone can hear. What does the root meter mean? Own or self, measure, pull or drag. So we have measure, an organism is a phototrophic an, an organism that is a phototrophic can produce food by using light. What does the root trophy mean? Feed or grow, look at or observe, break or bust. Okay, so we have what? Feed or grim. Alright, that's it for our lesson under Greek and Latin roots. Can you tell me if you have any questions? Alright then, since no questions will end here, try to complete the two lessons we've done so far if you haven't done it, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.